Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making vegan toasted coconut brownies. This recipe was a bestseller at my bake shop and we made them every single day. They're quick and easy one-bowl brownies. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. And now if you guys wanna use a stand mixer or a hand mixer, either works for this recipe. Today I'm just gonna use a hand mixer. So first we're gonna add our coconut oil into a large mixing bowl. Next we're gonna add our cane sugar. Then we're gonna add our Dutch processed cocoa powder. And then our dark chocolate. And you guys can use a chopped up dark chocolate bar or dark chocolate chips. Then we're gonna add in half a cup of boiling water. And you wanna pour that boiling water directly over the chocolate chips. This is what's going to help melt the chocolate chips and the coconut oil, and it's going to meld that cocoa with all the other ingredients. Now we're gonna mix on low to combine everything. You wanna make sure that the coconut oil is completely combined along with the chocolate and cocoa powder. Next, we're gonna add in a quarter cup of coconut milk. Then we're gonna add in our all-purpose flour. Next, we're gonna add in 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground vanilla bean. If you don't have ground vanilla bean, you can use vanilla extract, but the vanilla bean really gives these a great flavor and it's what made them so distinct at my bakery. Now we're gonna mix on low to combine all the ingredients until we have a smooth brownie batter. Next, we're gonna fold in our slivered almonds and our wide flake coconut. Next, we're gonna line a 9 by 13 inch pan with parchment paper. Then we're gonna transfer the batter and spread it out evenly. Once the batter is evenly spread out, then we're gonna top it with a little bit more wide flake coconut. This is gonna get nice and toasty as it bakes in the oven. Now we're gonna bake these at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And the best thing about these is these are vegan brownies, so if you guys like super fudgy brownies, you can feel free to underbake them as much as you like. So once our brownies have cooled completely, now it's time to remove them from the pan. I like to cut these into 12 squares. This is just how we did it at my bake shop. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more popular recipes from my bakery, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.